Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle, beautiful, inspiring content. If you like more of these videos, you know what to do. You just have to subscribe and watch. That's it. Recommend it to a friend who likes to watch similar videos like this and give it a like, a comment. So let's get straight into today's video. So like the title suggests, I want to do some few tips on. So I want to be very frank. I don't want to sugarcoat anything. I want to be as open as possible. It's like an open book. So I'll be sharing with you my few tips that I've learned, my few tips that I have encountered while I'm on this social media platform, specifically YouTube and other social media pages like Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. So those are the things that I would like to share with you. So I'll be referring to my notes that I've written here because I don't want to forget anything. So in case I forget anything, just kindly please leave a comment down below if you're a content creator, content social media personality, and you would love to give your thoughts on the life, or rather the reality of being a social media influencer. So tip number one, what it takes to shoot. So there are a few things that you will consider when you want to start shooting, like the outfit. You need to choose your outfits very well. You need to actually come and all made up, like doing your makeup, and just have a good looking person. You know, we want to watch someone who's good looking, so you have to at least do some nails. You want to do your hair, you want to do makeup, you want to dress well, you want to put on like cute earrings or jewelries, whatever that you want to put. So those are the things, few things that I would say when you're approaching people on social media that you have to have, just the basics. Number two, the equipment, tools. Let me tell you, it's such a hassle when you say the equipment, tools, because someone may say you need to have a very good camera, you need to have people who shoot you. It's really not the case. The thing is, you just need your phone. If you have your phone, you just need your phone. You just need to put it on landscape mode. And by landscape, I mean like this phone, you just have to shoot it like this, but with the back camera, not like this, because mostly like this it's in portrait, and you do like this when you want to shoot Instagram or Reels, IGTV videos. So you put it on this mode. You just need to use the back of your phone. That is 1, 2. You don't need to invest in lights if you are starting content creating. Just use natural sunlight. Like personally, like almost all my videos, I use natural sunlight. So that is why you see most of the time you'll see the background being the cupboard and the door, because the window is right in front of me, and I've placed my camera in front of me so that it can reflect. So I'm using free lighting. Another thing that you could use is sound. Just have a noise disturbance free environment, if I could say. If there is noise, you'll opt to shoot maybe in the evening, and in the evening there is no sunlight, so you'll have to invest in things like ring lights, soft boxes, such things. You need to invest in those things. So you just need to find an appropriate time to shoot your videos. So during the day is good, but shoot when there is noise disturbance free environment. Another thing that you could use is the editing software. There are several free editing software apps that you could use on your phone. So you just go and download any software that will be easy to use and just simply use them. So that is my second tip. The third tip is consistency. Let me tell you, consistency can make you grow. Consistency can make you move from one level to another. in a matter of a very short period of time. When I talk about consistency, I'm talking about uploading videos very frequently. Have a plan on when you could be uploading, probably 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week, let's say on YouTube, 3 times in a week, and you need to upload videos that are longer videos so that you could hit the target. That is another point that I'll go to, but what I'm trying to say is consistency. You need to upload videos that will make your viewers know on that specific day and specific time my influencer, or rather the person that I'm following on social media, is uploading a video. So consistency is very key in this area. There will be social media pressure. You will face a lot of pressure from people, but actually don't let the pressure make you lose focus. Just do you. Be as natural as you as possible. Have that thick skin, because actually you'll get comments that are so mean. People are so mean out there. Hey, they are going to give you comments that, oh my goodness, you'll want to quit social media. But develop a thick skin. Ignore the haters and just have a positive attitude and just move on. It's not necessarily you'll have to answer to every person who hates on whatever content you put out there. Just ignore and move on. Block when necessary. Block. You just don't want to have negative people on your channel. If someone doesn't like your channel, just block them. If someone comments badly and you see it's a frequent person who always comments on something that is negative on your content, just block them and just don't let things go to your head in social media. So just do it for fun. That is what I would say. Do it for fun and just upload good content, and you will get where you want to get in the shortest, or rather in the longest period possible. That is my tip number 4. Another tip number 5 is on YouTube, especially when you want to grow on YouTube and you want to be monetized. This is what I will say. There is 2 things that you should consider when you want to get monetized, and that is watch hours and subscribers. And that is why you see every time when someone comes on YouTube's channel, they say, kindly please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, leave a like or a comment. They actually really want you to have that engagement in their content. And the number of subscribers that you should at least have is 1,000 subscribers. You need to have 1,000 people on your channel that watch, and you need to have content that has been watched for like 4,000 hours. So those are the 2 things that you need to first actually have for you to get monetized. By monetized, they need for you to start getting paid by Google. So personally, when this video will be going up, I have not been monetized, yes, but I'm looking forward to be monetized in few weeks, few months to come. And of course, I'll let you guys know on how all that went by. The watch times, something that you will need to consider mostly about the watch hours, is the 4,000 watch hours. It's very hard to get the watch hours compared to the subscribers, according to me. And what I would say is put quite so you need to put longer videos on your video. You need to put longer minutes on your videos. Let's say 25 minutes, it's ideal. Let me say 25 minutes, it's ideal when you are starting. So longer videos is the real deal. Shorter videos won't earn you a lot, but depends. If something is good and it's short and you have a lot of people watching it, I wouldn't say don't put it out, or rather I wouldn't say don't upload something that is of shorter videos, but upload what is good and what people will watch. Another important thing that I have experienced is expenditure. You need to have a whole budget for this social media platform. If you want to earn, you need to spend. If you want to earn, you need to spend. It's as simple as that. If you want to do hauls, you need to go buy stuff. if you want to do cooking videos, you need to go buy ingredients. As in, there is money that goes in when you want to shoot this kind of content, so expenditure has to be there. Just have a budget for it on how you want to spend, because before all this being endorsed or monetized or get sponsors, is you'll have to spend money. You'll have to spend money. Another point that I would say is be very authentic. Have an authentic information, and have a niche that you would love. Have a niche that you put out there that you enjoy doing, and it's very you. It's really you. If it's organizing, you're just an organized person. If it's cooking, you just love cooking. If it's dressing, you just have to dress, as in it's something that comes naturally. You are not forcing this thing to come out of you. So have a niche and be very authentic when you give people information that you want them to learn from you, because people do try. Let me tell you, people try, and when those things do go fail, my friend, they're going to come on you on those comments, and then you're going to be like, oh, people don't like me, oh, people are mean. And it's something that actually you are the person who did. You actually put bad content out there, people went to try and it failed, or you referred something to people and it failed because you were sponsored, you were given money. So be very authentic when you're giving people this advice, these tutorials, these DIYs to go try. Be very real with people, because they are your subscribers. You don't want to lie to your subscribers at all. If you go buy this and this, or if this skin or whatever that I used on my face was good, and you're giving that something for free, and then people go buy those things, and then it backfires on them. You know, it's not good. It's not good. You'll also want such a thing to happen to you. These are your people. These are your subscribers. Don't lie to them. That is what I'll say. Don't lie to your subscribers. They help you grow. They're there for you. They encourage you. So be good to people. Another point, the weirdness of meeting people. Like, let's say your friends and your family. I go through it. Me, actually don't watch that video again. I don't watch it. I can't sit down and watch myself. Not unless I'm editing. Then that's it. I go to a friend and they put my content and they want to watch it with me, and I'm like, okay, did I just say that? Did I just do that? You know, so I don't want to say I don't like my content. It's just the weirdness of people saying that they watch you, and then the weirdness of sitting with your close friends and family and watching yourself. It's weird. Well, rather, I find it weird. Do you find it weird? Do you create content and then you find it so weird when you sit down and watch yourself? It's very weird. It's really, really weird. Tip number 9, work-life balance. Some of us have families. Some of us have kids. Some of us go to work. And having a balance, that you have to balance social media and the other life, there's a struggle. You will end up finding there's a struggle, and you want to balance the two, because you have to balance kids, you have to balance the husband, your home, school, as in work, then there's social media. So find balance in between, and that is why I said that you need to have a plan. You need to have a day that you're shooting. Probably you can shoot more videos. Let's say you're uploading 2 videos in a week. You want to shoot like 2 videos, then just be done with that week. Schedule, edit, and then just forget about it. That is the small nitty-gritty that I would say probably there people tend to ignore, and this is where the consistency, you'll end up finding it's a struggle when you don't plan. The consistency also goes down, so also your watch time which I told you it's very important when you're starting. Your watch time should be more of longer videos, or rather shorter videos, depends on you. My last tip: be very patient. Be very patient. Be very patient with YouTube. Be very patient with other social media pages, like probably followers, such things. Be very patient, in sense of you'll find someone who started way before you, way before you, and they got monetized just the other day. And then probably you'll find someone who just started the other day and already they are monetized, and you're like, guy, kwani I'm putting content out there that people don't like to watch, or rather my niche that I chose to put content is not good. But be very patient with yourself, be very patient with your subscribers, be very patient with all these social media things. As in, those are the things that I will say I have learned on this short period that I have been on YouTube. So I guess that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you're a content YouTube creator, kindly let me know, what are some of the things that you face, some of the things that you have experienced, some of the things that you have learned that probably I didn't mention, and probably it needs more emphasis on letting other YouTubers grow. So I guess those are the few things that I've learned on this probably 1 year, 5 months that I have been on YouTube. So thank you so much guys for watching. Until the next video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like and give it a comment. I'll be sure to catch you guys in my next video. Bye.